Hi, this is April Fayetta, and today I will show you how to log into your child's Google Classroom. Now, we are in Glendale Unified, so their login is the first letter of their name, first three letters of their last name, and the last 4 digits of their 6-digit student ID, followed by @stu.gusd.net. The password is GUSD, all lowercase, and their 10-digit California testing ID, followed by the exclamation mark. Now just note that when you are putting this in, go really slowly, because if you do it more than 3 times incorrectly, you may be locked out of the account. So I'm going to log in from my account and test it out. So I'm on my account. This is her Google Classroom that I created as practice. But let's see if I could log into her account without logging out of any of my other accounts. So I'm going to go to add another account. Use another account. And it pops up because she uses it. She uses it quite a bit. And I will go to next. Now, this one you want to put in really, really slowly. Remember, this is all lowercase. I hope I don't mess it up. Okay. And don't forget the exclamation mark, and then go to next. Let's see what my kid is up to. Now, what will pop up, the student accounts don't have email, so this should pop up for you. If it doesn't, and you're on a different page, go to the apps and find their Google Classroom, and this will pop up. So these are all her different Google classes that her teachers have created. She's had them since 4th grade, as you can see. This is the one I just created for her. So once you are on her account, or you're on your child's account, you could go ahead and click, and you can see what the teacher has assigned. This is the main stream and post. And if you look on classwork, that's where the teacher assigned your child's work, and you can click on it. And as you can see, these two she hasn't started, and the other ones she has started. Okay, so that is how to log into your child's account on Google Classroom.